JT Comedy.
Hey guys!
So this is how you look pregnant in Adopt and Raise on Roblox. And disclaimer, this only works in the newest version of Adopt and Raise. So in the other Adopt and Raises it might not work. But
Like the older ones.
The older ones, but the newest one, it should work. So yeah, let's get started.
Okay guys, so first of all, you're supposed to wear a crop top because that will give it a more realistic look instead of wearing a shirt or hoodie. So guys, first of all you have to wear a crop top because it gives it a more realistic look instead of shirts and hoodies. So step 1, you have to go into Avatar Insert, which is on your screen, and it should be easy to find. Yeah. Okay, so you go into the icon at the top, the hats icon there, and you search up beach ball. So pretty simple, just beach ball. So you just click on the beach ball, of course, and it should look like this. So you go to the settings bar right there, which shouldn't be hard to find, and you have to press the beach ball, which is right there. By the way, this works on mobile and computer, so it's good. Yeah. Okay, so you go to the Y position. This is a bit hard, but you go down, so backwards. Well, I think I'd say all the way down, so it gives it that pregnant look. And then you go to Z, and you go, I think, just to push it forward a bit, so it looks more realistic, and yeah.
Okay.
And so on the right of my screen, you can see there's a little color icon right there, and you just have to try and match it with your original skin color, which may take a bit of time, but you'll get there eventually. So
Yeah.
So once you've done that, you're basically done, and we've
Basically done.
yeah,
it.
basically done. So
Yeah, that is it.
That's a tutorial. And pretty easy. I don't know, this isn't really popular. I don't see a lot of people.
No, I think we're the first people to ever do this.
Oh my god. Guys, if you use this trick, give us credit.
Okay, so guys, make sure to let your friends know about this hack and
Trick.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to JT Comedy. Give us a like and
JT Comedy.
and leave us a like and a comment. So yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye babies. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the crop top. So you'll have to wear a crop top so it looks more realistic. Hi. Oh, you look hot. Cook. I think I'm pregnant.